It was almost time for me to return to India. I wished to go to say goodbye to Maggie and her mother. But the family was in mourning. Frankie had been killed in the fighting on the frontier. I calculated and found that Frankie had been dead some days when I told his mother he was alive and well. I felt ashamed to face Mrs. Bethy, so I wrote a letter to them announcing my departure and bidding them goodbye. The morning of my last day in London dawned. I was to leave that night. As I was having my breakfast, there was a knock at the door. Maggie had come to say goodbye. She was wearing black. "Are you leaving today?" she asked. "Yes," I replied. "Today is the day of my departure." "How long will it take to reach your country?" "In which part of the country do you live?" She wanted to know. "I have entered the Punjab service. I shall not know exactly where I am posted until I arrive there." "Is the frontier very far from there?" "No, not very. Frankie is buried near the frontier." The girl's eyes filled with tears as she spoke. "When I go to that part of the country, I shall visit your brother's grave and write to you." Part 4. Maggie's face filled with gratitude. As she thanked me, her voice choked. She took a shilling out of her pocket, saying, "Please buy flowers with this when you go, and lay them on my brother's grave for me." In my emotion, I lowered my eyes. The child had earned the shilling with so much toil. I felt like returning it to her, explaining that in our country, flowers grow in great profusion. But I considered, why should I deprive her of the joy this sacrifice would give her? She was foregoing so much for love of her brother. The joy of doing it was beyond all price. The grief in her heart would be eased a little. I picked up the shilling. "Maggie," I said, "I shall use this shilling to buy flowers and put them on your brother's grave." Maggie stood up. "How can I ever thank you?" she said. "Goodbye. Remember to write." I got up and held her hand. "Goodbye, Maggie. God bless you," I said. Maggie left. I wiped a tear from my eyes and went upstairs to pack my bags. Priceless gift, difficult words. Morning, Shoko Prakash. On the frontier, Deso Sima. Fighting, ଯୁଦ୍ଧ କରିବା. Calculate, ଗଣନା କରିବା. Alive, ଜୀବିତ. Ashamed, ଲଜ୍ଜିତ ହେବା. Announce, ଘୋଷଣା କରିବା. Departure, ପ୍ରସ୍ଥାନ କରିବା. Dawn, ସକାଳ ହେବା. Knock, କବାଟ ବାଡ଼େଇବା. Wearing, ପିନ୍ଧିବା. Exactly, ସଠିକ୍ ଭାବେ. Posted, ନିୟୋଜିତ ହେଲେ. Bury, କବର ଦେବା. Grave, କବର ସ୍ଥଳ. Gratitude, କୃତଜ୍ଞତା. Voice choke, ଗଳା ରୁଦ୍ଧ ହେବା. Shilling, an unit of money ବା ମୁଦ୍ରା. Emotion, ଆବେଗ. Lower his eyes, ତାଙ୍କର ଆଖି ତଳକୁ କରିବା. Earn, ଉପାର୍ଜନ କରିବା. Toil, ପରିଶ୍ରମ. Return, फेरिबा, एक्सप्लेन वर्णना करिबा, प्रफ्यूजन प्रचुर, कंसीडर विचार करिबा, डिप्राइव वंचित करिबा, सैक्रिफाइस त्याग करिबा, फोरगोइंग सैक्रिफाइस बा त्याग, बियॉन्ड बाहरे, ग्रीफ दुख, हार्ट हृदय, ईज आराम, होल्ड हार हैंड हाथ को धरिबा, वाइप ए टीयर लुह पोछिबा, एठारे वाइप्ड ए टीयर अर्थात लुह पोछिले, अपस्टेयर्स ऊपर महला। It was time for the writer to return to India. He wanted to go there and say goodbye to the family. But they were very sad since Frankie had been killed in the battle. लेखक लज्जित हेले कारण से जेतेबेले कहिथिले फ्रैंकी जीवित एवं सुस्थ अछि तार किछि दिन पूर्वरु से मरि जाइथिला, तेणु से निजे न जाई सेमानंकु चिट्ठी लेखिले। मैगी केम टू मीट द राइटर। शी वाज इन ब्लैक ड्रेस। से भारत विषय रे जानिबाकु चाहुथिला। लेखक कहिले जे से फ्रंटियर पाखरे रहंती। यह सुनी मैगी कांदी पकाइला कारण ता भाई को से ही फ्रंटियर पाखरे ही कबर दिया। मैगीज फेस वाज फिल्ड विथ ग्रैटिट्यूड। शी थैंक्ड द राइटर। मैगीर हृदय रे लेखक प्रति कृतज्ञता भरी रही। से लेखक को गोटे सिलिंग देला, कहला ता भाईर कबर रे फूल किणी रखिबा पाई। द राइटर वांटेड टू रिटर्न द मनी टू मैगी सिंस शी हैड अर्न इट विथ टॉयल। किंतु भाविले हर ग्रीफ वुड बी लेस व्हेन ही ऑफर्ड द लव फॉर हर ब्रदर। लेखक कहबाकू चाहूतिले जे भारत रे फूल प्रचुर परिमाण मिलुची, तेणु से मैगीर पैसा फेरबाकू चाहूतिले, किंतु भाविले त्यागर ही प्रकृत आनंद थाए। से बा काहेकि सेथिरु वंचित करिवे। से जाई तार भाईर कबर रे फूल रखि आसिले मैगी निश्चित खुशी हब एवं तार दुख लाघव हब। सेथिपाई लेखक राजी हेले एवं या भितरे लेखकଙ୍କ आखिरु दुई टपा लुह गड़ी आसथिला एवं लेखक ताको पोछिले। पिला माने एबे तुम मानक पही किछि एक्टिविटीज अछि, से गुडी को तुमे भलो भाबरे पढ़ी बुझी सॉल्व करिया पई प्रयास करिवो एवं परवर्ती पर्यायर एगुड़िकर उत्तर तुम मानकु दिया जिवो। ए अध्यायटी तुम मानकु केमिति लागिला मतामत दबाकू भूलिबो नाही। धन्यवाद।